Yes, we are going to talk about how to create a blog on DropFunnels today. But let's just be honest, we are really wanting to know how to drive traffic to our offers and let Google see our work, right? One of the key benefits of using DropFunnels is because they have built-in SEO. So the second that you have the SEO in your DropFunnels blog, Google's like, hey, that's one of the main reasons that I switched. I had everything of my blog on just straight up WordPress. And literally, as soon as I moved it over to DropFunnels, boom, I had traffic. Listen, you can have your authority site built in. You can have your headers and footers built in. DropFunnels is so easy. It's the whole drag and drop thing too that really caught my eye. I love it. And speed, hello. I don't even need to go into that. I have another video I'll put right here. It's talking about the speed of DropFunnels. Of course, don't watch it now. Go back and watch it later. But honestly, you can create a blog in like minutes, like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Now, there is tons of bells and whistles that you can do. I'm not gonna show you all that. I'm gonna show you what you're probably gonna wanna know, what you're gonna use, and what's the easiest, and show you just how easy it is to create a blog. I used to think it was so hard, and then in DropFunnels, we don't have all that plug-in bull crap that confuses you. You need to add this plugin to do this and this plugin to do that. You don't have to mess with any of that in DropFunnels. So even though you can take 10 minutes to create a blog, it's gonna take me a little longer because I'm not gonna go so fast. I'm gonna go slower for you so you can understand and show you the easiest and the best way, not only for you to have a blog, but so you can freaking rake on Google, right? But before we get into the video, do me a favor, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and that way you'll get notified and you won't miss anything that I'm teaching about DropFunnels in this whole series, blogging, making money online. Let's get in the video. So if you're seeing this video in November, they're having a November special. New members get 30-day double trial. So you have like a month to try it out. After that, you're gonna be like, I love it. Okay, this is DropFunnels. Drum roll. Okay, if you're over here, I'm already in. If you get in and you click on blog, so everything over here, they have content, blogs, all posts, your website, appearance, templates, comments. We won't talk about that. Behind, media, user tools, settings, SEO. So we're really interested in the blog part. Okay, and this is mine. I have 47 published and 8 in drafts. And I didn't realize I had that many even in drafts till I got on here. So these are mine. I love the whole organization, how they have it. And how it looks on my official site. Here is, these are my my header and my footer on my official site. And then these are in blog, these are my blogs, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. If you were to go into one, I kind of make mine as easy and as simple as can be. I try not to overcomplicate it. Let's create a new one. So from this page where we have blog, click on add blog post. Okay, create a title. Let's Marketing Rocks. Launch the DropFunnels editor. This is what we're in. I'll show you something easier. I like to actually do my blog in here. It's more the web-based editor. And I think it actually has more. So if I was you, I'd do it in here. But I want to show you some stuff in here first. Okay, here's your link. If you wanted to change it, you can just click on edit and you can change it. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about SEO because it's not what this video is about, but it's really cool because you have your title settings, your social, advanced, and then you have your meta description, and it'll show you what it looks like on mobile. And the more that you type in, the more that it's going to show you what you actually do need to fix. So you want to start with the red. That's what I do. And then go to orange. See, these are good. And then you want to make as many as possible green. You can make it a game. And then over here is where you just simply add your tags. And then over here is where you simply add your tags. And then you have categories, all categories. You can simply just click right here and you can add another category, or click on your most used. And one important thing is, while you're in edit mode, it's not going to be seen on your site until you actually hit publish. So when you're done and you're ready, make sure that you do actually hit the publish button. Okay, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can script in your header or you can script in your footer. Or you can go over here to appearance, global design, header and footer. You can create your own header and footer and it'll stay that way on everything. I like the visual editor way better. So we're gonna work in here. Now, I personally usually just add like a video at the front, and then mine looks like this. So I usually add a video, and then half the time I'll say, if you prefer, instead of reading, watch it. So I'll try to have like a blog along with my video. I don't do that on every video, but I try. And then I'll have like, this is, what is DropFunnels, and I'll list about it. But do you see, it's just nice and easy. There's nothing complicated. It has some pictures and it has some titles, and that's really it. Do you have a blog? Or don't you? Do me a favor. If you have one, put yes in the comments, and if you don't, put no. But you don't have to be like me. There's templates that's really awesome. I play with them all the time just because I like to play in here. And there's all different things you can plug and play with. We'll just take this one. See, and you can change the colors, you can change the text, you can delete something, you can move something around, you can change things, get rid of them. And whenever I have used these, half of the time I'll just take like little pieces from these, so you can still use anything that you want on here. And then you can also copy. Like when you finish your blog and you want to do another one that's like it, you just want to make a few changes. I can show you. All you do in DropFunnels, they have the funnels the same way as you just click a copy and you have two of the same thing. You click on right here, the little wrench. Then it takes you to, if you click on general. So if you click the little wrench, in general, this is H1, that's the header. And if you want a link for it, style, you can change the color. Green. You can change the style, the spacing, kind of make it however you want. Advanced. I use this a lot. Let's see. That way it moves it closer or farther away from where you want it to go, to make it look good. Now, if you have a button, and let's click on the little wrenchy thingy. Okay, you can import here. General. Only 100 seats left. Okay, that's the little subheading thing right here. And then right here is the main thing. The main thing. You can choose any little icon thingies. Okay, I literally hit the wrong button to get out of it and I closed it. So that's a good thing, because it shows how I was telling you that you have to make sure you hit save and you have to publish, which is okay. Because I'm gonna show you real quick just another little template that you can use. And so this is different. This one's kind of cool. And on something like this, I did this on my main page. You could do like your people's reviews of you, or your merchandise, what you're doing. Okay, well, I was going to show you earlier on a button. Okay, see where it says click action, link? And if you're in a funnel, which I know we're not doing funnels, you can do next step like on the first one. But anyways, so you would just put link and then you would add your link right here and hit select. So when they hit the button, it's going to go to your thingy thing. You have it where you can have comments, and you can turn those comments off too if you don't want your comments. You can add anything you want to. Let's just say we want to add 2 more columns. So you have 2 more columns. You can go to module. You can add a video. That's not a good place actually to add a video. Let's do a photo. And you can have your media library. I have a bunch of stuff all just saved in here. We'll add my friend Matt. So say Matt is you, and then you could do a little write-up right here, say I'm blah, 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 blah. Okay, if you wanted to go to, okay, you go back to modules. Let's say we're gonna add a paragraph right here. Yeah, let's do, Matt is pretty cool. What do you think? Am I pretty awesome? He might kill me if he watches this video. But anyways, and you can just take and you can change it around, like I was talking about in the settings and everything. And then if you go here, you can edit your column. You can move your column, duplicate. I do this whole duplicate all the time. Like I'll duplicate this and I'll move it down and I'll do like the same thing. There was one, I actually think I did it in a blog. I mean, in a funnel, but it's the same thing. And then I had like multiple ones, and kind of like there's Matt. It was like, for example, you could do, I actually think it was bonuses, and I had this bonus, this bonus, this bonus, and then I just did duplicate everything so I didn't have to redo everything. It was magic. So when you're done, you could hit done, and then you hit publish, publish. And then this is what it'll look like. You can put your company logo here. You have your button set. You can change all of this. You can delete anything. And honestly, I would say don't be afraid just to go more just straight and narrow, more normal. That's what I do. I don't add tons and tons of stuff, because if I'm personally reading a blog, I don't want a bunch of crap. I just want to read what I'm trying to read. So anytime you're in DropFunnels and you see this little DropFunnels at the top, if you click that, it always brings you back to your editor. So if there was anything else that you wanted to do, you can always go back and edit and change everything. And then you just go back and update it. Okay, I'm really trying to cover any questions that you might have. So I'm back at the beginning, and let's do another one. Could have came up with something better than that, but we're gonna roll with it. And also, if you scroll down over here to template, you can do default template, full width, no header. Full width makes everything's full, wide on the screen. You can have a featured image. So if you want set feature image, we want it to be, okay, why not? Right here, you can enter some information here too, which is also the built-in SEO, set featured image. So when you like post your blog, you can have that to be your featured image. Half the time if I'm doing a video, I'll just do my same thumbnail. Not that I'm saying that's the best idea, it's just the easiest. So most of the time, I don't use a template. So this is just blank. Instead of doing the templates, let's go put a video here. And see where it says YouTube. Paste the video. You know how you're on a video and you do share? It's not that. You actually just have to copy everything from the URL and put in here. It's a little longer, but it works. And then this is my video. Let's add a column. Let's add some stuff. Because even if you don't have stuff here, It's really easy just to add. Oops, that didn't add. That's how I wanted it. And then sometimes I'll even make this smaller, and you can go underneath your video, and you can say, like I showed you earlier, you can be like, hey, if you don't want to, read, here's a YouTube video, and it'll be smaller. Or I just add it in with the text like you saw in the other one, and just is in the normal paragraphs. Now we can add all kinds of stuff in here. Let's search for photo post. You can do, this is kind of cool, post carousel, post slider. So say it has, there it goes. Say it has a bunch of your different, all of my blogs, they'll slide through. Also, let's take that out. Again, you do a search. We're gonna search for post, and then it has them all right here, and you can always create something and put here, and you can have like a picture or just tell about it. I went ahead and I added a button over here. So say we have something here, we can be like, hey, come sell this. And remember, if you click on the little wrench and you scroll down on general, and then you have your link. This has to say link, and then you have your link here. So then you put in your link, and then make sure you click on save. And then you can add from here, you can add anything else that you'd like to add. If you want to add it a countdown. Here's your countdown. Not looking all that cool. You can go over here and style and change and fix and change the color and move it all around. So basically, when I say drag and drop, that's what I mean. You can just take it, anything that you need from the module, the rows, you can use your templates, and you just have it all right here. And you can make it where you have stuff over here on the side, and you might be talking about just a blog, like okay, simple click and earn hundreds. So we could be talking about your whole blog, could be that, and then you might have, which you can do the same thing inside of your blog, but over here you can always put like a link to something for them to buy, or you can have like another link to a separate video or a different blog, that they might want to, like say I'm talking about click and earn, we might be talking about click and earn money selling books or something else, because it's kind of similar, so they could click on it too. I personally don't do that because to me, I don't like mine cluttered, but you can. And with DropFunnels, all of this stuff is really easy to do. And remember, you have the built-in SEO, which is like my favorite part, because it actually goes out to Google and lets Google say, oh, I see you. Makes it really awesome. Now you know how to rank your content in search engines and start driving traffic. So if you would like to try DropFunnels, it's a 14-day trial, which will be down in the link unless you happen to be watching this the same month that I made the video, and you get 30 days. And you never know, Jordan's awesome. He might expand that offer. But within that time, it gives you plenty of time to get started, and along with trying it, because I believe and I love this software so much. I have tons of bonuses from, and I don't have them listed up because they change from time to time and I add to it. But right now there's beginning affiliate marketing training with videos, advanced training with videos for affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. I have ads training. I have a bunch of other free stuff that you would just love. But one cool thing that I'm recently doing too is sometimes you need help with actually the whole writing process of the blog, right? I mean, I didn't teach you how to actually write it. I'm not the best writer in the world myself. So I have partnered with a friend of mine, and as of right now, he's only saying 20 people. And if you sign up for DropFunnels and you pay for it for 1 month, because I want you to get into it and to learn to like it and love it, then he will actually write a blog. He'll write 1,000-word blog for 30 bucks. That's it. Really, that's it. I know, Tony Moss said, I will cover all of the rest of the money out of my pocket. But anyways, pretty good offer, right? I love this software so much. I believe in it, and it's changed my life, and I know it could change yours too. So if you like this video, I'll put another one up here that I think you're gonna like that has to do with DropFunnels. So watch this one next, and you know what? I'm gonna be in it. I'll see you in there. Oh, but before you do, did you hit subscribe? It helps me and the algorithm. It helps me make way more of these videos for you. Oh, thanks. Okay, let's go.